Yo, yo, yo. Oh, where's my camera? Damn, where's my camera? I'm gonna fix that in a second. I'm gonna fix that. I will fix that. I'll fix that. What's good though, peoples? What's good? What's good? What is good? Look at gold. Gold's just coming back for wicks everywhere. Every wick it forgot, gold is coming back. What's happening, Chris? You good? Good. Hold on, I'm gonna sort my camera out in a second. I'm gonna sort it out. I think I need to restart it. Restart the app. What's good though, peoples? Did everyone take advantage of this gold price action today? Actually hasn't been bad today. Ashley caught a nice move during Asian. Where is it at? Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you Miss Gold Pippin over here. This was a real nice play. Real nice play. Look at that. Look at that. No top wick on H1. Literally tapped into that area, fell right to where we had no bottom wick on M30. Real nice play, man. Real nice. That was here. This area that had no bottom wick. And over here, this candle had no top wick. Really is as easy as just reading these candles. Rosie, what's up, Rosie? Good afternoon. Right, so what do we have today? Gold is currently bearish on the daily. Very bearish on the daily. We've made a top wick, respected this daily resistance, and we are coming back down. So initially we had actually closed below this daily support, but you know, we pushed back up into the range. I was thinking maybe we get a fake out, but it looks like we might be respecting this daily resistance to then continue sells. I mean, the push up was due to news yesterday, you know, market manipulation as per usual. Potential ceasefire talks, as they keep saying, ending the war, blah blah blah, or agreements. Yeah, so we'll see. We will see, won't we? But I don't know, man. I don't know. No, I don't have much faith. Same old, yep, same old. I missed that sells. I didn't place my limit order on gold. Damn. How did your trade do yesterday? Did you manage to get out before it pushed up, Chris? Hopefully you at least went break even and didn't take the loss. Because that was unexpected news. I think there were a lot of people that were in sales. A lot of people in sales. The idea was definitely right. I think without that news, that trade would have kept on falling. It's a shame, it's a shame, it's a shame. But it happens, you know. It's how the market is. It's how the market is. Let's see what we get today. M30 continuation pattern. Yes, I see it. I see it. I see it. I see. If we can keep pushing, then yeah. I closed 1.3 and break even on the remaining position. Nice, nice. I'm glad you closed some. I'm glad you got out. You got some. From Kenya, what's up? How are you, Githin? How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What do you trade? I think we're mainly gold traders in here. Gold and a bit of NAS. Ayila, good afternoon. How are you today? How are you today? Look how gold closed. That's not nice. That's not nice right there. Hold on, guys. I'm going to sort my camera out. I just need to restart. No bottom wick on this candle. Good. We should push back down. We should push back down. Right, if we do sell today, I'm looking for a retest of 4,500. At least a retest of 45. If we break below there, then back to yesterday's target, 4460 area. Down to the next 4-hour support. Gold decides to push up. Then I want to see gold revisit 45.71, 72. But I don't know. We have a quiet day today. Dude, we don't have any news. Wait, what day is it? Thursday. Or was it PMIs today? Did I make that up? We might actually have PMIs. Oh no, we have PMIs today. My bad. We have PMIs today. $245. You said it's light news? Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think it's gonna be. It's not gonna be market changing. Not gonna be trend changing, is it? I only have one trade running today, and that's the BTC setup. Okay, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. How's it running? I think last message I saw in Discord, you said it was in profits. Well done. Very well done. How was Nvidia earnings? Ooh, let's have a look. I think I did watch it, but it was after market, so last place I saw it, it was pretty bearish. It started off bearish and then I think it flipped. Hold on, let me... Trading prop firms. Video. Ooh, so this was the earnings yesterday. Look at that. Yeah, so I saw it as it started to drop. Hello, Pastor Kadala. How are you? Yeah, so Nvidia, it spiked down first and then pushed up and it just, yeah, it's gone sideways. But I don't think it impacted the NAS too much. This would have been the Nvidia earnings here, 9 o'clock, 9:30ish. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I thought I did my analysis for NAS. Guess not. Resistance turns support right here. NAS, still quite bullish on NAS, to be fair. Still quite bullish. Yeah, I think we just make a bottom wick and flip bullish and push up. I would like NAS buys. That's good, especially if we hold by this support here. Yeah. Yeah, NAS buys are the one. Yep. In the meantime, let's wait for gold to pull back a bit. I want just a little retracement because we had quite a drop. So I just want to see some structure to continue down. So either we close below this support, and keep pushing, or we retrace a bit, create a lower high and then come back down. And that's just on the lower time frame. Look, 4 hour. These 4 hour candles look very bearish at the moment. Very bearish. Let's see. 4 hour continuation pattern 2 on IC. Yes. Perfect. So yeah, let's see if we can keep pushing down then. That's great. Perfect. That's perfect. Anyone take any trades today? How's everyone's day been? Gold sells at 12. At 12. So what, are you still in them? Closed at 12, got in at 10:30. Okay, so around here. Okay. If you got in at this candle, that was nice. Nice. You know, respected this resistance. Came back down. Okay. I see the vision. I see the idea. Nice trade, man. Nice trade. That's a long hold for you. Hour and a half? You don't normally hold that long, do you? Left the runner. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Rosie, no trades for you today? No? It said GJ's trading sideways. Is it? Why do I have two NAS charts? Let's see. Oh yeah, pound yen. I even look at GJ today. GJ has not been nice this week. Because, I mean, look, what's the trend? What is the trend here? It's horrible. Horrible. Sideways. Just, yeah, not nice. Not nice. It's like we're holding at this little resistance here. But who knows? Because, like I said, what is the trend? It's just doing whatever it wants at this point. Doing whatever it wants. Dr. John, how are you today? How are you today? What are you thinking for gold? You thinking buy it still? I know you've been bullish on gold this week. You still bullish on gold today? Are we still bullish on Goldie? And this support give us a buy? Because me, I'm bullish on gold. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. I had a feeling you were. Yeah, this support is holding. It's been holding pretty strong for the past, what, nearly 2 hours now? At least an hour and a half. You know, these past 3 30-minute candles. Doesn't seem like it wants to break. I just hope we don't get any more random headlines about the war, because that stuff has just been making gold act crazy. Right, let's check the dollar index. Pushing up still. The DXY is looking very bullish at the moment. So we may get some more gold sells before we get the buys up. I think there's a strong possibility of that. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's struggling to even push up. Look at these candles. Long wicks, long top wicks, long bottom wicks. Gold, what are we doing? I don't have enough confirmation to enter buys. Yes. Yes. Benny, you want sells today, then buys? Okay, so you want a bit more of a pullback? I see it. I see it. Especially when we like seeing this as well. This continuation pattern here. This definitely looks like we're going to come down a bit more. And we're pushing. Now, can we break? Can we close below this support now and keep going? This has been a struggle. Now, on my broker, this candle, the previous 30-minute candle is actually green. This candle right here, it's actually green. It's not red. In fact, let's see. Yeah, see, this is what it looks like on my broker. Let's close below and rejoin you, Benny. Right? Little breakout. I'm here for it. Hopefully it doesn't push down too much. Hopefully it doesn't push down too much. We have a very clean range. Very clean range for some sells. How big is this range? 370 pips. Woo, we'll be eating. Which broker do you use? I use IC Markets. I use IC Markets. They have very good spreads. Very reliable. Next day withdrawals. Sometimes same day, depending on the time that I do it. Yeah, amazing. Best broker I've seen. Very good leverage. In fact, they just increased their leverage to 1 to 1000. I would still stick to 1 to 500, but yeah. I haven't had any issues with them. I use IC Market too. I really like. Nice. Yo, C Trader. Use C Trader with IC Markets. It's the best. It's the best. IC Markets is way, I mean, C Trader is way better than MT5. Way better. Way better than MT5. Such a good broker. Such a good platform. Just the details and the trades. So good, man. So good. I love it. Spliff, what's good? Wagwan Spliff. Spliffing out the building. How are you today, my guy? What were you looking at for the indices? You looking at anything on US 30 or NAS? Got fried yesterday on gold. Oh no. Yo, gold was supposed to go down yesterday. I don't care what anyone says. Gold was a sell yesterday. This right here is that manipulation. This is just war news, and you can't predict it, man. You can't predict it. You never know. You never know when them headlines are gonna come out. It's a shame. Hey, I don't think you were the only one, man. That sell cooked my whole account. Then Trump was talking. Now I started going crazy. Oh man, listen. Ali, what's up, Ali? You good? Yeah, look, man, gold is going down. Wait, what's I gonna look at? Gold, not gold. Look at this. Look at this is manipulation right here. Look at this drop, this spike down. You can't predict this stuff. You can't predict this stuff. This look just shot up NAS. It's tough. It's tough out here. It's tough out here for us traders. All right, hold on. Let me fix my camera. Hold on. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. It's not you. It's me. It's me. It's me. Hold on. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I just need to restart the app. Let me do that now. I got you. I got you. When I'm doing a lot of things on my PC, if I'm editing, if I'm watching streams, I have a bunch of apps running. I'm on Canva doing thumbnails. It kind of, or even playing games. If I have a game running, it will overload my GPU and then, yeah, it shuts down the camera. Buy or sell? I'm thinking, oh sorry, I'm on the wrong thing. I'm thinking sell first, sell and then buy. I'm thinking sell, then buy. I want to see a reaction at 4,500, see what gold does there. If not, I would love for gold to come all the way down to 44.61. Yeah, I would love to see gold drop a bit more. Drop a bit and then maybe bounce back up. I do want to see gold close below this support though. It's been holding. It's been holding. It hasn't been a smooth ride down. John says we go. It's heading that way. We're getting there. We are getting there. Alright, that should do it. Are we back? There we go. Camera on. Check, check, check. Yeah, so yeah, man, I think we drop before we come back up. So that's what I want to see. Unless we get another random news headline that makes gold shoot back up, you know, I don't put it past Trump or the market. Try to sir, you know. Yeah, we're down. We're going down. Dr. John, are you in? You're not in yet. I don't even know where I want to get in. I would love a closure below first. I want a closure. Yeah, we're going down. To the clean range. Super clean range. Super clean. I don't want it to drive too much down through the range. Not without me. Like, wait for me. Wait for me now, gold. Wait for me, please. So 4,500. 4,500, little psychological level, and then 4,4. Well, down to this support, I guess. And then yeah, just keep dropping to the supports below, I guess. That's what I'm anticipating. We just keep dropping. Hasn't been bad movement this week. Hasn't been bad. Can we get that closure below in the next 3 minutes? Where is your TP? I'm targeting small. Well, 4,500, 4,470, 4,474, then 4,460. Yeah. I use lower time frame levels, lower time frame support resistance levels or retests. Buy or wait for pullback for sell. I don't know if I would love for it to pull back again to get a sell, but I think we're getting a breakout here if we close below this support. So I don't know. I think so. A little something something. Because I'm seeing a big sell after the pullback on 30-minute to 15-minute. Where is your liquidity sitting? Where's the pullback area? Goldie, drive down now. Drive. In fact, no, I don't want it to drive down. I want it to wait. Sorry. I'm thinking maybe we retest and then drop. Something like that. Or at least a top wick. A little top wick and then, you know, push down. Decent top wick and drop. My setup gold has to sell to 44.51. Okay, that's good. You got a nice deep target. My IC markets is showing very different, not mad different, but this under chart is just a bit delayed, man. I don't like when it does that. Alright, so new 30-minute candle, that's good. Give us a top wick. Break the low, we got the breakout here. How big is this? 150 pips. Oh, 150, 160 pips. I kind of want to get in when we break this low. Let's see what Ali's got going on here now. Let's see. Copy. Yeah. Oh, you want a deep pullback? What's that? Gold to pull back up here. 45.37. What's this? Okay. And then all the way down to 44.66. Wow. All right. Big move. This is good. If we get a decent top wick here and then reflip and break the low, can use this. You could use the entry candle high as a stop. All right, so we got the retest. Gonna push up a bit more. You said I'm taking the flip? Oh, you think it's gonna flip and drive? What's going on here? Gold is bugging right now. Gold is spazzing out. Session, blah. I don't know what all that is there. Oh, we had jobless claims. Our regular Thursday news. How did that come out? Had our Thursday news. Oh, here. Okay, came out as expected. Meh. Pullback is big. Yeah, your pullback is very big. It's very big. Very big. I don't know. We might just be getting a reaction to this news, but it's orange folder. It's been a while since that news has had a massive impact. It's like we're jumping though. We are jumping. I think price will go there. Okay, okay. Every trader has their analysis. Every trader has their analysis. You're obviously, what you see is what you trade. That's continuation pattern here. But I think price will go there maybe. Yeah, read that. Because gold is like to play and make traders talk alone. Oh man. Man, gold is something else. Like yesterday, that was a crazy move. Crazy move on gold. What are they saying over here? These feds are talking. Bank of England, US, Philly Fed business, da 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 da. There's quite a lot of little news that's just come out. 1:30. Let's see if we hold, if we don't break these hour highs. Look, 1 hour continuation pattern as well. What are we doing, Goldie? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh, you're coming back down, huh? Get rid of this. I was thinking about taking. I was with Benny on the flip, but no, man. No. This is Fed did a sweep on gold yesterday. Listen, that was a mad move yesterday. Mad move. Real crazy. Someone asked me today, like, why didn't gold continue up? Like, if that's the reaction to the news and is pushing, why are we not still pushing up? At the moment, gold is kind of bearish, so this may just be a little pullback, a little bearish pullback to then continue up. But yeah, obviously the market was just reacting to that news, wasn't it? Just a little reaction. But this support is really holding, this support area here. Would have been a great breakout. Would have been a great breakout. Oh, don't want to drop. But like I always say, it's good if we want the sells. If I want to take sells, I'm happy that gold goes up first and then starts to drop towards the end of the candle. So I was expecting this price action because it's normal for gold, but this week has been bad. I've noticed pushes move after no wick candles. Well, initially, the way I interpret candles that don't have bottom wicks, yeah, is we obviously have strong buying or selling power. So for example here, we were very bullish. We had this strong move up. So the fact that price didn't come down first to make a bottom wick, we just pushed up, it was a very strong buy. So when we come back for these wicks, if we're going to sell, or even if we're going to buy up some more, we're going to come back and collect all the orders here that help price push up so strongly. So we come back to these areas. Like, look, if we're going to sell, if we're going to have a big sell, why not come back and grab these sell orders from up here where we don't have a wick and then have a big drop back down? Do you know what I mean? Like here, we came back to this area and then pushed up. Now, we're not having a strong push up, but that's why I expect reactions. I'll get out of my trade here if I'm coming back for a bottom wick. If I'm coming back for a wick. Why is my camera off? So yeah. Now look, we have a wick, no bottom wick down here. This is way back though. This is way back. I think this is a 4-hour candle too. It is a 4-hour candle as well. So we got this 4-hour candle that doesn't have a bottom wick. So I expect that when we do come down here, I expect if we do drop down, we are going to spike back up from 4431. But I get this concept just from watching candles that don't have a wick and how price behaves, what price does when it gets there and stuff. Making notes, taking pictures, annotating the charts, reviewing it. You know what I mean? When you see something happen over and over again, then you can start to see the probability of what happens the next time you see it. Because you go, oh, when this happens, this normally happens afterwards. You collect enough data from it. Are we gonna flip? Ben, you still in? You still gonna take it at the flip? I don't know. It's a bit risky for me. I can't lie. I forgot. I didn't realize it was a news candle. No. No. The thing is, the news was actually good news. It's not bad news. It was kind of mixed. I don't know what this Philly Fed index, how it normally impacts the market. I don't really pay attention to that, to be honest. But unemployment claims coming out as forecast is pretty much good numbers, which should be bearish for gold. But no, I'm chilling right now. I'm chilling. I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait it out. Wait it out, wait it out. But good thing is 30-minute hasn't broken that last 30-minute high. Haven't broken the hour highs. Yet. Ali, what's happening? What's up? All right, we pushing up some. What we doing? What's everyone waiting for? What pair are we waiting for today? Keep an eye on Nas. Kind of like the idea of Nas buys. Especially a bounce up from here. So let's see how we close. If we hold at this 4-hour support, I think Nas pushes up, to be fair. Struggle to break Asian highs. Gold with a 1-hour continuation pattern, which has played out because we've already broken the low and driven down. But just want to see how it closes now. We might be respecting this Wicky area here to the left. Why is coming down? Sorry. Keep yawning. Let's fix that. Good. 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 We're gonna flip. So now this 30-minute respected that last high. Can we flip bearish here and drive down below this support? Go on, gold. You can do it, Goldie. You can. And it's going back up. How long you got left? 9 minutes. 9 minutes of this candle. Get the flip and drive. So close. 4-hour candle's about to close too. Now what I can see from the 4-hour, yeah, if gold is gonna be, if gold holds above this resistance here, I believe this market is bearing. Okay, okay. What's your TP, John? Where are you looking for gold to get to? I can see, I can imagine, you know, if we close above this old 4-hour level here, that we respect it, and then this resistance turns into a support to then push back up if we hold above there. Especially on the 4-hour time frame, we just get a break and retest. So I mean, if we don't drop down on this candle, maybe the next 4-hour candle bottom wick comes down, taps 4,500, and then we get a push up from there. I can see something like that happening. I can. Yeah, just like wicking up from this area, and then we get a support. Drive back up. All right, we're coming into the last 5 minutes of this 4-hour candle. Let's see if we can get a little push, a little pop. Just a little pop. M30 continuation pattern. What sells? I mean, if we close below, then we get something like, let me see. Let's see. I actually like this setup, to be fair, if we close below as well. It'll be something like this. Like this. So look, we close below the support. The next candle sort of drives up, and then the third candle, which would be the next M30, the next M30 breaks the low and then continues to drive down. So it's like it's the continuation pattern but below the support. So yeah, closure, this one, and then boom. So it literally looks like that. That's like a setup, one of the setups that I like, including the pattern that I like. So So let's see if we close like that. If we get a weak bullish candle, if this candle doesn't flip and drive but closes bullish, then maybe the next candle we get that drive down. I do want a decent top wick though, because it is a 4-hour candle. But yeah, maybe we actually push back, hold that above this previous 4-hour resistance. Maybe. Oh, we're dropping. Never mind. Maybe we drive down now. Benny, you're in. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. It's a bit dicey for me, man. 4 minutes, because I'm anticipating a top wick for the next 4-hour, but this last 5 minutes could really give you a good drive. I don't know, man. I can't. Towards the end of the candles, it's a bit dicey for me. Can't lie, my brother. Did it break the low? Didn't break the low yet. Come on. You got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to just break this low. And get to 4,500 at least. Get to 45. Look, I'm just going to mark it off right here. Little psychological level. Mad that it's not driving. You've already flipped now. You might as well drive. Look, 1 hour continuation pattern 2. Look how much times we got this pattern, guys. Look. When you see stuff like this over and over again, look at these candles. This candle formation, look. Drive, but hold the steering wheel. Oh man, never let the steering wheel go on gold. Crazy. Oh, we're pushing. There we go, down to 45. Show me. Whatever. Won't let me open that. That's all good. Mike, what's up? Good day. Gold is resisting reaching for 4,400 yesterday. It's Trump, man. Trump and this damn war stuff is you know, it's trapping traders. If we didn't have that headline, we would have been heading down nicely, very nicely. We might even have reached that level yesterday, but you know, random war news and we push back up. It's terrible manipulation. All right, so we close very bearish. Oh, are we just straight down? Just straight down? No top wick? Nothing? Ash, what's good? That is nasty work. That is nasty work, gold. That is... Oof. So look, it tapped 4,500. It tapped 45. Remember what I said, guys. It could just be revisiting 45 to push up. Turning this resistance into a support. Hold on. Yeah, look. Resistance could be the 4-hour support. Man, gold. Let me get rid of this because this level's broken. But yeah, this is... Now I can see Ali's price getting tapped. I can see Ali's price getting tapped now. Just a little retracement up. Man, Goldie. It just opened and drove straight down. No good. Without making that top whip first. I hate when that happens. You did catch a banger last night. I put your trade up on the I showed your trade this morning, like at the beginning of the stream. That was a nice ass move, man. Targeting those wicks. Real nice trade. Imagine just trading like no wick to no wick. It's mad. But still here. Are you in, Ali? Are you in a trade? I thought you were waiting for the move. You're in already? Literally traded it from no wick to no wick. I was like, yeah, that's a clean strategy right there. That was a clean strategy for sure. And the fact that it came down for that wick and then just like bounced up, that was such a good exit. Yes, Ali. You say my name and don't say nothing afterwards. What are you saying? I showed the chart. Are you in the trade? Are you in? You got to give more you got to put at least some analysis on the charts or something. Like, you know, some arrows. This is what we're looking at. But if you're already in, are you in here? Is this the actual trade you're in? Because I thought you were waiting for price to come back before you got in again. Oh, you're trying my strategy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, good luck, broski. I can actually see gold pushing up from here though. I can see gold retracing from here. Damn. Just based off this, I'm trying to be transparent though. My sales turned to losses yesterday because I didn't move my stop into profit. So I'm 3-1 this week. Yo, I think a lot of people got slapped yesterday. Because that news came out of nowhere. Nowhere. That I can't say, oh, if this would have happened, blah blah blah, but I really truly believe if that news didn't come out, gold was heading down. Gold was heading down. It was. That was some BS. But that push up was uncalled for. It was uncalled for. Like, it was a big ass push too. Oh man. It was uncalled for. How big was this? I mean, 820 pips. 820 pips. Like, from the low of that move to the high. Like, excuse me? Excuse me? Like, what? I was on the game with Naza and she was like, I bet Ashley was in themselves. Ashley loves her cells. And I was like, she was. I was like, I hope she got out. Because that thing came back in the blink of an eye. That shit was nasty. It was nasty. Like, she literally said that Ashley loves her cells. Like, everyone was in cells. That shit was going down. Like, it was nice. When you see a move like that, when you see gold do something crazy like that, I immediately went looking for news. Someone asked me today, like, when you see gold pushing up like that, could you get into the buys? Like, could you have caught that? And I was like, there's no way I would have caught that. No way. Because that wasn't... Ash, did you see any type of... It doesn't even look like divergence or nothing. It doesn't look like anything. I can't imagine it being divergence, convergence, whatever. It was just news pushing up. There wasn't any particular key levels that were like super strong or nothing. So yeah, I was like, there's no way I would have caught that, because you see the move first, you see the move happen, and then you find the news. Do you know what I'm saying? You don't know beforehand that that's what's going down. All right, so we made a top wick. Are we gonna pull back? Are we gonna drop? Or are we... What are we doing, gold? Talk to me. Talk to me. Crazy thing is, I saw a start to the inverted head and shoulders on H1, but it was only the shoulder. Price hit the weekly support at 4470 and rejected it. Ah, it was a weekly. Yes, it did. Do you know what? I have weekly levels in my thing. Weekly resistance and support, and I never mark them on. I never keep them on. I definitely need to start keeping them on. Gold is down. I thought you wanted a pullback, Ali. What happened? You changed your mind? Change your mind on us? Boom, boom. Oh, I've got 2 4-hour time frames. My bad. My bad. I do want to see how gold reacts to this 4,500 though. Because look, we literally tapped 45 and yanked back up. So curious to see if we can actually continue the drive down. I wouldn't mind some more gold sells, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait until news. Or what, the PMIs? The flash PMIs? Yeah. We had unemployment claims, which didn't really do much. Let's look at the DXY. What's the DXY doing? DXY is pushing back up. Okay, okay, okay. That's good for gold. Gold sells. Kenny, Mike. What's happening, Kenny? I also wanted to be a trader, but got demotivated by my family members. But it didn't stop me at first, as I kept trying to be successful at it. I was just not winning. Oh, man. You know what? Sometimes you gotta move in silence and let the work show itself, you know. I've heard people say that you know, people don't support their trading. But yeah, if you just lock in, you could be great. John, hit your target, yeah? Boom, in and out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I mean, I didn't entirely give up though. I just do it less than usual. Well, how long were you spending on trading? I think if you trade, I don't think it needs to be something you're doing all day, every day. You need to have other hobbies. You need to be doing other things. You know what I mean? There's only so much you can be active in the market. Just like a job, if you want to trade full time, you should have hours you work and hours you don't work. Do you know what I mean? Being at the charts 24/7, 24/5 is not necessarily gonna be meaningful. But yeah, I hope it works out for you, man. Hope it works out for you. Do you mind training you? What do you need training for? What do you need training for? Just join the lives. I'm here every day. I'm here every day. Every day. Or join the Discord. We in the Discord. You know? You're definitely learning there. Ask questions. All of that. We in there. Yeah, just join the Discords. We've got strategies in there. We've got daily analysis in there. We've got weekly analysis in there. We have meetings. Come through. Come through. You know we got things to do. Yo, that Drake, I would say those new Drake albums, I like them, you know, I like them. I like them. It's about to be a drizzy summer, boy. It's about to be a Drake summer. It's a good community, to be honest. Facts, 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 facts. Facts, facts. It is. I agree. Oh, we're still going down. Okay, okay. Looks like we're about to drive down too. Ooh. Alright, gold. Alright, alright. Drake had 2016 and he'll take 2026. Damn right. You're right. I agree, I agree. He's definitely got some songs I think I know that I'm gonna hear over I know I'm gonna be hearing out. Alright, it broke. What? It's not driving. Why are you not driving through, Goldie? I don't know, man. I don't know. Make a speculative session for me. What do you mean? Might be. Oh, you might just be watching. Okay, I got you. You might just be watching. Sorry, you know I read quick, man. You know I be reading quick. Yeah. I don't know. I feel you. I feel you on that because I don't know what Gold's trying to do here. Like I'm in two minds. I don't mind the sells. I like the sells. I was leaning into the sells before, but I'm also like, could 4,500 hold? Could 4,500 hold? I don't know. It could. Yeah, because I don't know. I want more info. Facts. I actually wanted sells down here, but when I started to see this, like that we were sort of pushing into this area, I didn't get in. Benny, how did your trade do? How did your trade do? How did it go? $50 pip partials, then BE. Ugh. Gold loves coming back to entries. Don't she? You sniped those 50 pips though. You really sniped those 50 pips, but I can't get in right before the candle's about to close, especially when a new 4-hour candle's about to open. It's because I want like long or short, because I want decent wicks on, you know. If we're pushing down, I expect a long top wick. If we're pushing up, I expect a decent bottom wick. So I couldn't get in right before we create that wick. You know what I mean? Oh, we're coming back down. Yes, we are. Drive down. I'm gonna continue bearish today. We had back-to-back continuation patterns. Ain't that crazy? Look, this continuation pattern still running. 1 hour here. Little nice 1 hour continuation pattern too. Look at the size of this candle right here. Ooh. Looks good, don't it? I like your strategy. It's good. I like it too. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like it when it plays out. I like it when it plays out. But it is for scalping. It is a scalping. It should be an in and out strategy. Oh. And Carl, who's been in the Discord grabbing pips, I'm telling you, man, he's really found a strategy that works for him. And he marks all his missed trades, so if he missed the move, he'll still mark it up anyway. Yeah, he's locked in. He's locked in. Yeah, I love that for him. I love that. Because he really started like fresh from just taking signals and not understanding what the fuck was going on to like making his own money. Like that's dope. So he's mixed two. He's mixed the EMA strategy. He's mixed the EMA strategy that I showed him and supply and demand. But he uses them on a 15-minute time frame. So, and I don't trade on a 15-minute time frame. So he's found a time frame and he executes like how he sees fit and doing his thing. Love that. I think that's one of the best things about trading. Like when you find something, like you learn something and you make it your own. Yeah, I love that. I think he's gonna be very good. Oh, I forgot to kit this stream out with Arsenal stuff. I forgot. Enter. I am chilling right now until gold tells me what it wants to do. I don't see anything happening right now. Like I don't see any setups. Nada. I have an idea of what I want to see, and to be honest, it is this 4-hour candle flipping bullish and pushing up. That is kind of where I'm leaning towards. But the daily is very bearish. You know, 4 hours bearish, daily's bearish. Although we broke the daily high. So do we reflip and re-break the high, or is that it? We're done. No. 4 hour does look nice to come down though, doesn't it? 4 hour does look nice to come down. Oh, we're falling. We are falling. Trace this whole push up, because what was that? Even gold knows that was some BS. It's like, I'm not supposed to be up here. I ain't supposed to be up here. This is not where I was going. DXY is coming down. Not DXY, I mean NAS. Oh. DXY is kind of coming down. Got this resistance on the dollar right here. We're obviously making we're not making new highs as well. Like look at these 30-minute candles. We're not breaking highs. Oh yeah, we're coming down. Alright. Gold is king. Gold is king. I refer to gold as a she. Green golds. Dum, dum, dum. NBA process. Hello. I want more cells, but I need structure first. 99.52 DXY fill the gap. Maybe it will pull back and gold will rise. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Oh, I see you. Okay. When was this gap from? A couple weeks ago? Okay. Alright, we're not far off. If we can push above this resistance area, then yeah, I can see us getting a gap fill. But if it doesn't close above here, oh no. If this area holds and we leave more top wicks, yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on it though. Also, what's Nas doing? Because you know Nas likes to lead the way. Alright, we got market open in 10 seconds. Keep the eye on that price there. Look, we still closed above this area. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, we're driving down. Never mind. How far though? How far? Oh no, we're dropping. Market open. We're going down. Oh, did we break that low? Did we break that low? No, we didn't. We came close. We came very close. Very close to breaking that low. Break it? Not yet. Yo, gold's pissing around, I swear. Gold is playing. There we go. Now the low's broken. Now the low's broken. Shoot. Gold, what's you doing? Now, can we continue down? We have a clean range to the left. We have a very clean range. Still not liking the fact that we haven't actually closed back in this range though. Like we're pushing. We got wicks. It's a bit, I don't know. The XY still pushing. Just don't need no random headlines. Plus we have news in 15 minutes. Little light news, little PMIs in 15. I don't think that move is going to be something crazy. I do not. But nevertheless, we have news in 15. What time is it in London? It is 2:30. 2:30. It should stay at the top of the stream. Should stay. Yeah. British Standard Time. You see it on the top left of the stream? That's my time right there. My time right there. Oh, we're driving. Oh, we're gone. We outie. Oh, big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Nice. Nice little pop. 1:30, 2:33 in London. That's right. That's right, Moses. That's right. That's right. We're driving. We're driving. Who's on the sales bus? Damn, Benny, I was with you, man. I wanted a bit of a pullback before I got into some sales, but see, gold is like, nah, I'm going down now. I'm gonna go down now, thanks. Alrighty, alrighty. Alrighty. What a push. Real nice push. Real nice push. See the 1 hour. Right, can we continue? Back to 95. to 94. Back to 93. Can we see 92? At 10 minutes till news. 10 minutes. Do. 92. XY is chilling. Nas is not doing its crazy Nas moves like it usually does. Nas is normally going whip soaring like mad. Gold. All right, are we gonna get to 44.74? Maybe the news will help us drive down. But if we're playing 4 hour zone to zone, like we've broken below this old resistance. So yeah, the next stop 4461. Next stop 4461. We can just keep driving down. Alright, let's see how this news comes out though. Hey. Right, what are they expecting for this news? They are expecting 53.8 and 51.1. Above 50 is typically good for USD and bearish for gold. If we come out as good numbers. Mickey, can you tell me something? Sure. What would you like to know? Drive down there. Little drop. See, Rwanda's a bit slow. So's IC markets, to be fair. Everything just moves a bit. Like the trader view charts, they can't keep up with the real price action. That's why I gotta watch my broker for the prices. My broker tells the truth. It's a bit quicker. See if IC markets is frozen over here. Nice. It's all right today. It's all right today. Yesterday it was looking dicey. Yesterday. Looking too good yesterday. Freezing and shit. I don't know what happened with that Nas. With Nas yesterday though. Nas looked crazy. That's the place to buy if gold is gonna rebound, I think. Where are you talking about? Where are you talking about? You mean 44.61? I know you want 4400, don't you? But I just want to play it to the 4 hour support. For me, I like reactions at 4 hour key levels. Like up here. Look, gold pushed up. Where did it push up to? This 4 hour resistance. Drop back down. I like playing gold 4 hour to 4 hour. Which time are you using for your Asian range indicators? It is visibility inputs there. That's my time there. It says 7 to 1 a.m. Yeah. And it on my chart it comes up as from 12, so midnight to 5:30 in the morning. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I like the time of it too. It seems to work very well as like a support or resistance. That's how I've been using it. Alright, we'll switch to the 15, which I rarely do, but you know, we got the news about to drop in a couple minutes. Just flipped to GJ. Just looking, how's GJ going for y'all? Ugh, GJ's on timeout. GJ's being a naughty kid right now. So you trade after 1, right? After 1. I trade London session. I trade London session and from like 12 o'clock to like 3, 4, about 4-ish, 4 o'clock. What was Ash saying? GJ has been poo. GJ has been awful. Yo, what's up? What's up? Why are you yoing like that? Is that an inverted head, daily head and shoulders? What, on GJ or on gold? On GJ. Let's see. Like, as in that's, oh wait, is this? I know you like these little tiny shoulders. Would this be the neck? These are the shoulders right here, and then that's the neckline. Kind of see it. I can kind of see it. But yeah, I haven't been trading GJ because it's literally just been moving sideways. Like, it's, I mean, when you look at it on the daily, what is this, please? Like, what is this? Where is it going? How can you look at this chart and say, I'm going to take buys or sells? Because where? Awful. Awful. All right, we got news coming soon. We got news in a minute. You're on the FXCM chart. All right, let's check that out. I'm gonna check that out. JP Wizard. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know, man. You're the goat for the head and shoulders patterns. You be seeing them shoulders before they, you know. You see them shoulders real quick. Oh, I had that whole chart marked up. Let me find out. When did I mark that up? That's interesting. Did I do that? Go back to that. Go back to that. But I had it on the 8 hour. Damn! 8 hour time frame? Yo, you really, you're a real analysis. You're a real analysis. Hold on, I'll check. I'll check after news, Ali. We got news coming right now. Right now. Right now. All right, what are we doing? Oh, slightly lower than expected. Nothing crazy though. Oh, higher than expected. One's higher, one's lower. So we have mixed news. Yes, don't you love mixed news, guys? Don't you love it? Yeah, actually it kind of looks both good since it comes out as forecast. Okay, it's not the end of the world. Not the end of the world. Disregard, but I do scroll through 8 hours sometimes, but I don't use it as confluence. Okay. Like I've seen people use the 10-minute time frame. I'm like, 10 minutes? 10 minutes? I mean, to each their own. To each their own. I don't even know why I have 3 minutes saved. I never look at the 3-minute time frame. Why do I have that starred? Alright, we're just gonna keep driving down. What are we doing, gold? We out of here? We out of here? Nope. And pop back up. Alright, so we got the other 4-hour candle about to close. Look at this. This is a really nice continuation pattern here. Really nice. Real nice. Got a little minor support. 4483 as well. Okay. Okie dokie. This price action is tough today. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. Seven. Oh yes, let's check. What am I checking? What am I checking? You get how to use what? What am I looking at? Yo, you gotta put some analysis. Like you have to draw some arrows and some words. I need words on the chart. Oh, I don't know what you're looking at. Like we're seeing, I can see the same thing on my chart. What does your chart mean? You have to hit save. If you've done something on here, it's not saved. I need some details. You know? Appreciate it. What did Mike say? I saw something. The moment of truth is coming. What, whether we push back up? Ali got to join the live one day. Yeah. One day. Got to explain these lines. It's, you know. Gotta explain. I need to see something like if you're gonna draw on it, you're gonna have analysis on here. Put an arrow, like give me a little text, give me a little something, give me a little, you know, retest. Put 1, something like this. Target. I need information. I need to know what I'm looking at. Otherwise, I'm just looking at your chart, which looks the same as my chart. Are you in this trade? Are you in it? I don't even know. You haven't told me. Come on, Ali. Talk to me, guy. You gotta talk to me, man. You gotta talk to me. The gap is already filled. Already? Oh, shoot. Alright, Mike. That happened very quick. I did not expect that gap to be filled. Oh, snap. Okay. All right, guys. So what Mike is saying is we have this DXY that needed to fill this gap. from over a month ago, and we fill the gap, and then maybe we get a pullback. And if that happens, we could see a push up on gold. We could start to see gold push up. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Let's go. Because yeah, we still haven't closed below 4,500 on like the 30-minute or the 1 hour. So, and this candle here, not closing below, is sus for sells. So we'll see. We will see now. Oh. We got this 4 hour about to close as well. Oh shoot. Oh. There's a little pop right there. What's goody? What's goody, Goldie? Anything? When I see something like this, I immediately look for news. Immediately look for news. Because, excuse me. Like, why did gold just pop like that? Oh, Mike, it's the moment of truth. It's the moment. Damn, what a push. What a push. Popiana, right? Ali, what did you say? You wanted a retest of like 4437, right? Hey, that could come now. That could come now. Could see that move. What a push. God damn. Divergence was building up for buys on the 5-minute. Okay. Where's the target for that? Here we go. Look, waiting for the headline to pop up, guys. Waiting. Iranian official denies reports that Iran's supreme leader said that uranium must stay in Iran. The candle is a trap. The candle is a trap. Don't get trapped, guys. Don't get trapped. Stay free. Stay free. Stay free, you hear me? If this is like yesterday, I wouldn't mind the 800 pip trap, you know. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday was an 800 pip trap. Just watching gold and it feels good doing it stress free. Man, not getting slapped around, right? Jeez. It's just rude. Gold is just rude. Wait, I got a 1 hour. Got a 1 hour support here. Retest. Is that a retest right there? Or are we just gonna blast through? More news coming? More headlines? That can't be the one headline that moved the whole, that push gold up just that much. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Not getting slapped around. Listen. Moves like that feel like a slap. This is slappable. Cause you blink. That happened in 5 minutes. That push up, it was like a 300 pip push up in 5 minutes. You turn around for 2 seconds, come back and 300 pips in the opposite direction. It's madness. Aussie AU doesn't have a wick in 15 minutes. Look like gold wants to clear liquidity to the upside and fall back. Hello, Olu. I don't trade AU, but if you want to send a chart, I'll happily look at it. If you could mark it up for me, so I know exactly what you're talking about. You could send it with just this little bit right here, just this little piece right here, and I'll be able to see it. What do you think about that ICH4 no top wick candle at 4561? See, over here-ish. 4561. Am I looking at the right place? You talking about here? Where at? I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, here. You talking about here? I don't know, girl. What you talking about? What you talking about, Ashley? Not talk about the wick that you I mean, this wick's already been filled. If you talk about this one's filled already. All these wicks have, I mean, we've not filled, but we've already come back for these top wicks already. If you're talking about these ones, I think that's already played out. I'll send a screenshot in the Discord. Alright. Cool. Cool beans. I got you. Oh, from today. Oh, this was like right now. Wait. Interesting. Your IC, yeah? Because with IC markets, it's a bit weird. Does your IC markets, when you look at the bottom, does it say like 30302 or 00, like, does it have, is it 2 minutes out when you look at the time at the bottom? Because sometimes it does that. Look. Yeah, yours is this one. I don't know why this does that, but if you go to like down here where it says regular trading hours or extended trading hours, it's out by 2 minutes. You see that? It says 302, 702. Very weird. Very weird. So I use extended trading hours just so it's obviously like normal time. Yeah, 2 minutes out. That's probably the one you're on. I don't know why it does that. I couldn't tell you why it does that. It's so weird. So weird. That's what it is at the bottom there. It's that regular trading and extended, and I've not seen it on any other chart that does that. Very weird. No problem. All right, so we closed respecting 4,500 still. We still respected 4,500. Are we going up, guys? Or have we come back down? That was a decent H4 continuation pattern that just passed, though. Yeah, man. I think Benny pointed that out to me this morning. Benny was on that. He was on that. All right, 4 hour. What we doing? What we talking? What we talking? You coming back down? Let me see the 1 hour. Oh, that is the 1 hour. How long you been trading? Oh man, since about 8 years now. Coming up to 8 years. About 8 years. I remember where I was when I took my first trade on the first app. Trading 212. Was it trading 212? Yeah. How long did it take for you to become profitable? Oh man. Quite a few years. I would say quite a few years. I used to just throw money at the markets, but it was weird. It was like I've never really worked it out, but I would put money in, take money out, put money in. But there were times where I'd take out like some really good profits, which I'm sure has covered all my deposits. But yeah, I'll say a couple years. Like when I was really locked in and was like really trying to make money and make a withdrawal, I would say that's when I was like, I started to be profitable. There's a person at your door. Who's at my door? But you know what? It's a journey, man. Everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their journey. It's gonna take as long as it takes. Just make sure you just have to be locked in, really study your craft. You know? I know there's people that don't like back testing, they don't like journaling, they don't like doing none of that. And then you wonder why you get stuck or you're not improving. You gotta do the things. You gotta do the things. Alright, Mickey, I'll hit you up about streaming Asian session for at least one day next week. Yes, yeah, let's sort that out for real. I gotta plan a nap. I gotta plan a nap. Gotta plan a nap to stream Asian session, but you know I'm here for it. I am in 3.5 years now. First 2 years wasted. Now I start to see consistency. Yeah, man, like I said, it's gonna take as long as it takes. It's gonna take as long as it takes. I traded with a guy. I was with a group, and a guy in the group he was just taking signals, and he had a funded account that he never lost. I sent the AU chart to the Discord. Oh, great. Great. Oh, I see it. All right, so what did you say about it? You said AU has a similar move with gold, and gold has a 5 minutes bearish candle that doesn't have a top wick. So I like with the 5 minute time frame, I don't really consider the 5 minute candles as significant as 30 minute or 1 hour candles that don't have top wicks. And the reason is because of how often they occur. So you'll get 5-minute candles that have without top and bottom wicks way more than you get with 30-minute and way more than you do with 30-minute candles and 1-hour candles. I'm not as sure with 15. Like, look, if you look, just as an example here. Oh, this is NAS. That's not helping. But it will be the same with gold. You'll have loads of candle, way more candles that don't have wick. So look, this candle here, no wick. No wick. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. No top wick. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it happens way more frequently. But on the 30-minute, it happens less. It happens way less. But let me check your chart out. So, have a similar move with gold. As in similar move as in the push up? As in the push up? Is that what you're talking about? Is that what you're talking about? XAUUSD. Yeah, I only trade pairs. I don't really trade the Aussie pairs, to be honest. Main levels, resistance supply around 45, 35. Current bearish continuation around 45.08. TP zone near 4454. Looks reasonable because it targets lower liquidity. Okay, okay. 4435. Is that on your chart? Hey, there we go. We got some lines on here now. Let's talk about it. Okay, cool, cool. Kind of makes more sense when you add some context. All right, where's gold going now? Where's gold going? XY, what's the XY doing? Is what I was talking about. Ooh, got you, got you. Down for now. I think gold is coming back down. Okay, okay, okay. No, look, we're kind of pushing back below this resistance on the DXY, and I'm not saying the DXY is the be all and end all, but if we hold and push down from here, I think we push up some more on gold, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. Yeah, I think Dr. John is gone, but yeah, I was saying, like, look, 4,500 is my first level. I want to see what price does there, and then if we get a clean move below 4,500, then 4,474 is the next level that I would target for sales. But if we stay above 4,500, I think we get a push back up. I think we get a push back up. Yeah, we've seen that. We've seen that move already. Yeah. We'll see. I might leave it here, guys. I might leave it here. I don't see any setups for me just now, but just know if we I mean, this bearish structure is so tight. It's so tight. My opinion, if gold wants to pull back, that's the most logical place. provided the DXY pulls back, otherwise it will fall further. Yeah, it's all waiting now. It's just waiting for confirmations to see what gold actually wants to do. Yeah, I do like to use the DXY, the correlation here, because it's really been working this past month, 2 months or so. 2 months or so. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here, man. I'm gonna leave it here. But yeah, if we push down some more, you know my targets. That's where I'm looking at. If gold does stay bullish or push up, then I don't think it comes all the way back up here. Emmanuel, so I'm just about to leave, man. But maybe a retest of the daily flip, or at least I want to see if we get a reaction at Asian lows, right here. Oh, my nose is itchy. Allergies. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining. As always, appreciate you all. Leave me a like on your way out if you haven't already. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. What do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow, nothing, I believe. I believe we have a very easy, light day. Perfect. We've got some consumer sentiment, which is not bad. I'm in school right now. Oh, literally, I do stay in school. That's why I don't get... Okay, okay. Well, man, I'm glad to have you anyway, man. When you do join, it's appreciated. No, when you can pop up, pop up. If not, it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, that's all I see for gold right now. I can, yeah. But yeah, guys, peace out. And yeah, if you have any good ideas or your moves play out, drop them in the Discord. Love to see it. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace, peace, peace.